Jason B. Alcaraz, Sir Joseph Rene, to our today's SDO representative, Barangay Captain, Mr. Eduardo B. Bronya, our school head, Mr. Cecil Miller Ibian, to our teachers, parents, honored pupils, and to my fellow graduates, good afternoon. We gathered here today to celebrate and witness the graduation ceremony of Batch 2025. I am Alexa Elise B. Binasa, and I am honored to have the opportunity to speak today. First of all, on behalf of the entire batch of 2025, I would like to welcome you to the graduation ceremony of San Isidro Elementary School, Batch 2025. Elementary has been an unforgettable journey that has prepared us for the future. Whatever it may hold, these past 6 years have involved some of the most memorable and influential moments of our lives. Individually, our experiences here are unique, but together, we share a common bond as members of this batch and soon to be graduates of this school. And once again, welcome to the graduation ceremony of Batch 2024 to 2025 here at San Isidro Elementary School. Thank you.